Assalamu alaikum students, this is me Bilal and today we discuss about division. Students, how to do long division with a two-digit divisor. Number is 33. In this case, my divisor is going to be the two-digit number 33 and the division problem we are going to work out is 3996 divided by 33. So, look at the sign of divide. And there is three special areas of this stretch where the three main parts of division. The one is divisor, second is dividend, and third the answer is quotient. Long division with a two-digit divisor work a lot like division with a one-digit divisor, but the main difference is since the numbers are so big, we have to do it a bit of estimation and kind of intelligent guesswork. Intelligent guesswork. In this case, 3996 is our dividend. We look at that 3. Can 3 be divided by 33? Answer is no. So we add one more digit off to the right 39. Can 39 be divided by 33? Yes. Let's go to solve the question. 33 times 1 is 33. 39 minus 33 is 6. Get the 9 down. And 33 times 2 is 66. 69 minus 66 is 3. Get the 6 down. 33 times 1 is 33. 36 minus 33 is 3. The 3 is remainder. So the answer becomes 121. Thank you.